Welcome to our grammar lesson for today, irregular verbs. In this video, we are going to discuss irregular verbs and how we can change them to the past. Before we start discussing irregular verbs, let's ask this question. What about regular verbs? Verbs like play and decide. If I want to change the verb play to the past, I just add ed. And if I want to change it to the past using it with one of the helping verbs has, have, had, I just add ed to the ending of it. In the case of using the verb decide in the past, I just add d to the ending because it's already ending with the letter e. And if I want to change it to the past with one of these helping verbs like has, have, and had, I just add d to the ending of it. Remember, this is the case of regular verbs. But what about irregular verbs? What happens to the irregular verb when I change it to the past? Do I add ed to the ending? Do I add d? The answer is no. You do not add ed or d to the ending of an irregular verb. Irregular verbs do not add ed to show the past tense. Instead, the spelling of an irregular verb changes to form the past tense. The spelling of many irregular verbs changes again when they are used with the helping verbs has, have, or had. Remember that there are no rules that exist to form the past tense for irregular verbs. So there is no rule that you can use to form a past tense for irregular verbs. This is a list of 10 verbs that are regular and how we change them to the past, how the spelling of each and every one of them is changed, and how some of them are also changed when I'm using it in the past with one of the helping verbs has, have, or had. Remember, this list is also attached in the Go formative assignment that you are doing right now. So, before you do the practice part, make sure to go back to the list, try to memorize each and every verb, how you change it to the past, and how you change it to the past when you are using it with one of the helping verbs has, have, or had. Good luck and stay safe.